Want to know how to create a mini weather forecast simulator in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under 2 minutes, so let's get straight to it. Now, first, we simply create an array with weather types like sunny, rainy, cloudy, and windy, and snowy. Using the random class, we pick one of those randomly each time the program runs. So when you run it, the console prints today's weather forecast. So as you can see in the program as well, on the string weather, we have created a weather pool of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different weathers. So you can just simply run this code, and using this integer index and some random classes right here, it should print out a random forecast. So in this output as well, as you can see, today's weather, it shows sunny, and this is it. Super simple and easy. It's a great way to practice arrays and randomization in Java. You can add it by expanding emojis, multiple day forecast, and even seasonal variations. I hope this video helped. Here, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.